Hi there, Sherri Smith, editor-in-chief of Laptop Mag, and again, we are in the Samsung space, getting the first look at some of their hot new products for the summer. And I am here. If you are like me and you use your phone to work a lot, the Flip might not be for you, but the Galaxy Fold 4 might be. Starting at $17.99. Yes, $17.99, but we are in the era of $2,000 phones. It is what it is. And you get a lot for this. So first things first, the hinge. The hinge is lighter, it's slimmer, but it's still it's the most durable hinge that Samsung has been able to concoct. And from the feel of things, it feels really sturdy. Like, I feel very comfortable with this, and it's just got a sleek look. It comes in 3 colors, so I'm holding gray green. There's also charcoal, and there's also beige. I think this, if I'm going to buy one of these, this will probably be the phone that I buy. I just love the look of it. Slimmer bezels. The camera is right here and doesn't impose, so when you turn it on like so, you don't, it's not intruding, which I love. This is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It has 12 gigs of RAM, and it starts at 256 gigs of storage, but it can go up to 1 terabyte, but that's optional on the website. So as soon as this is available for pre-order, I would jump on that if that's your jam. The thing about the Fold 4 is this is about multitasking. This is about work. So the Fold 4 is all about work and productivity. And when it comes time for that, like, you have a nifty little taskbar, just like you would on your laptop. And right now I have the Notes app open, and you can do multitasking, which is really cool. Just drag, and now you've got another screen. And if you need yet another screen, cancel. You can do up to 3. So there you are with your 3 screens for the multitasking. This is really going to work with, if you dabble or you use heavily Microsoft Office. This is really going to go well with Outlook and your Microsoft Office Suite apps. So it really is designed for that for the work aspect, and of course it does work with the S Pen. The screen is gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with this, play with this some more. And as you can see, you've got your bevy of apps. Like, it also does well. The multitasking also works with Google Apps, YouTube. It even works with Spotify. So, whether you're work or play, this is a powerful phone. And this is a very, very quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. I'm Sherri Smith, and for more information and a full review on this phone, stay tuned. And of course, stay tuned for everything laptops, tablets, and wearables.